It's a cute little plant. Hey, why did the two watermelons have to ask permission to get married? It's because they cantaloupe. So you just had a PDK system installed at your facility. And now you're looking to learn ways to make sure that this thing is helping you to protect life and property. You're basically a superhero. By now, you should have access to the software or your app where you're going to be able to manage your entire system. If you don't have that yet, reach out to your installer. They'll be able to get you taken care of. So you might be wondering, how do I give other people access to the software as well? Well, let's go ahead and show you how to do that. Step one, open up your app, go to permissions, and hit that plus button. Go ahead and enter that user's email address and then give them a role. An admin role is going to be able to do everything that you can do in the system. That's going to be things like adding in users, giving them credentials, creating door schedules, creating system events, being able to view live door statuses, being able to change those statuses, controlling elevator schedules, being able to view live reports, being able to pull and save reports, view everything live, things like that. A manager role should be given to users who you don't want to have full permissions to the software, but just users who you want to give them enough to be able to get what they need done. Managers can control credential holders, they can control groups, they can control their own set of doors, their own set of employees, view reports, and also view live events. The last option that you can give somebody is a reporter role, and this person's going to be somebody who you just want to be able to go and pull reports, view those reports, and also view live events as they're going on. After you've added in that user's email and given them a role, the system's going to automatically send them an email where they can go ahead and finish setting up their login info. So now when they log in, they're going to be right into the software doing whatever it is that you told them to do. Pretty simple, right? That's how PDK is. It's easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions. I did not want that to get all over me.